Alright. This is Odie. He's a 15-year-old miniature Dachshund. And this is Robert. He's about 2.5 years old. Fancy rat. Oh, look at his little foot.
We're not about the same age.
And they've just been sitting here cuddling. And we're sitting here like, we gotta go to the store, but we don't want to get up and disturb them.
Because here's the story. They hate each other. Well, Robert hates rats.
Odie is scared of
My
rats.
head hurts.
The dog is scared of rats. And so normally when Robert comes around to Odie, Odie will like jump away and run away and stuff. And now they're just cuddling. And it's the most adorable fucking thing in the world. Hey, little man. We gotta get up. Yeah. Oh. How precious.
Mm-hmm. It's okay. We can wait a little longer.
Right. Never go to the store ever.
Never move.